Did you bring her insurance with you?
I got it printed out right here.
Okay, I need that.
So what happened?
She ran a stop sign and
No,
got hit by a
I didn't
car.
run it. I promise.
That vehicle.
I did not run it.
Come over here, sir.
I did not run it like that red sign, and you can ask
So,
my daughter.
Wheatland is one way south,
Everybody know what
and
it is.
that truck was
I've been
driving
here for
south.
34 years.
She came to the stop sign and then entered the intersection
No, I didn't.
while he was driving south, and he hit her.
Excuse me. Why is it you believe him and not me? Why is it I couldn't have been right there already crossing, and then he keeps going? He don't even try to stop, officer.
I need your insurance.
Yeah, my insurance is right here. Yes, I like to have them dispatched out here. I don't want to give you my insurance. I'm going to give it to this other
Okay,
officer.
I will.
I asked for another
You're
one.
not going to get another officer.
I
This isn't
am.
Burger King where you get what you
Hello?
want.
Yes.
Calm down. Calm down.
190.
Yes, sir.
I believe my at-fault driver is calling in asking for a new officer.
Yes.
I have this under control.
Yes, internal affairs, then that's what I'll do. I need that.
911, station of your emergency.
I need another officer out here
Where's out here?
because one is trying to dominate my conversation, and I don't appreciate it.
Where's out here?
I'm on Wheatland Avenue and Palmetto. And I don't
This
appreciate
is about
it.
an accident?
Yes. I want another officer dispatched out here as well.
Okay, what's your name?
Christina Wilson.
Okay.
No, I didn't run it. I promise I did not run it. I did not run that red sign, and you can ask my daughter. Everybody know which way Wheatland is. I've been up here for 34 years.
Christina.
Stop, officer. Yeah, my insurance is right here. Yes, I like to have them dispatched out here.
Okay,
I don't want to give you my insurance. I'm going to.
You have to, by law, give them
I
insurance.
asked for another one.
Listen.
Hello?
Yes, I put on that you want another one, but by law you have to give them your insurance, and I can give
Yes,
you
sir.
the information to report the officer's conduct to the internal affairs if you want.
Yes, internal affairs, and that's what I'll do.
The Inspector General, do you want that number?
Yes.
Okay, are you ready for it?
I'll take it to court because I got insurance. I got insurance.
Are you ready for the number?
Yeah. No, he gonna try to say I don't got insurance. Talking about he gonna give me a ticket.
You have
saying
to.
that I don't
You
have.
have to give them your insurance by law. You have to exchange insurance and license information.
Yeah, I already what's name. He said no. He gonna write me a ticket.
Did you give him your insurance?
I have my insurance. I'm talking to you though. It's on my phone.
You have to give it to him. Whatever, you cannot deny giving it over. That would be a ticket.
All right. She said give it. Can you stay on the phone?
Okay, hold on.
Now she's gonna stay on here with me. And here. Hello.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, thank you. I don't know where he went. Here. This is my insurance card. Right there.
What insurance company do you use?
Allstate. Give her all the information.
What's your phone number?
614-972.
Go ahead and hang on up there. I'll be up there.
They don't pay no ticket. We're going to court about this one. Ma'am?
Okay, do you want that number? Are you ready to take it?
Yep, sir. I don't get his wife that much away from him. I'll punch him in his face, too.
Okay, it's going to be, don't make threats. It's going to be 614.
I ain't make no threat.
It's going to be 614.
614.
645.
All right.
9600.
9600. Thank you.
All right, I'm going to hang up.